Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Ka Sanwaka Surong ka menta ka Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 batkan sa Mihkhmat ya ka jila Meghalaya ha ka jingya ko Miss Universe India 2024. Ka Sanwaka ka bapat ba ka tip kum ka nong trey pat ba bat bit ka nong tho bat pinmi jing tip pat ba content creator kala pendep ya ka jing puli postgraduate ha ka tourism and travel management. Ka trey kum kam communications coordinator ha hello Meghalaya ka OTT platform bening kong bala penya da ka sarkar Meghalaya bar ka long ru ka nong shong jingya kran angka jong ka program the weekly show. Hagalenti jingya jongka hagi jingya ko ba ka Sanwaka kalapen I ka jingla banyale but ban kan randin mensha klalong first runner up ha Miss Cherry Blossom 2000 khat pra but Miss Meghalaya 2000 khat khandai. Kalapoiru siya ka top 5 ha Miss Teen India International but house nem 2000 arpaway kalara ekanam Sunsil Mega Miss North East. Hadian bakla shimshuti saus nem ban pelet jingmut ha ka jingroi jongladi bar ka jing imshimet kala wan pai biang da ka minsim ka bakham scam but job ya ka kadan Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 ka jing ya kun joka omdei tang na ka benta ka pansnget ground hendrei kami na ka jing angnut jongka kimi ka bala klat no ban na ka jing bakalamat hadian bakadu no ya baro arngut ki kimi ki pa. Kani kala pelong ya ka bandan ka thong ka bakham kraw ban shakri ya ka imlang salang ka Sanwaka ka kwa ban long ka nong ya sa na ka benta ki khna ki bakhlam jing ram na ki kimi ki pa da ka bakirshan ya ki yingri khunswet bat ban thaw ki program ki ba ai jing kermen ka bu ba jing cha ka jing im jang ki ka jing ya ko Miss Universe India 2024 kelas dang na du ka khat pratrik unai tung bat kan nong ha ki nong ba Jaipur Bengaluru Indore bat New Delhi. Kajingya ko preliminary kanong haka arpau turik unailar kat baka grand finale kanong haka arpulai turik unailar haka baka Sanwaka Surong kanra ekanam kaburam jangka Meghalaya haka rinsan jangkari India.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanwaka Surong, your Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026.
So, good morning everyone. We would just like to have a very quick interview with Miss Sanwaka Surong. So, ma'am, as you'll be leaving for your national competition today, so how are you feeling?
I am overjoyed. I am truly honored because I'm not just representing my state, I am carrying my roots with me. So, going there, representing Meghalaya on such a national, on such a prestigious platform is something I think every girl dreams of. And I hope that I would be able to make everyone back home feel seen, represented, and celebrated.
And how is your preparation going on?
My preparation has been I'd say it's been a roller coaster of emotions. I've had my ups and downs, but despite everything, I promise that I will give my 100% and I will truly showcase Meghalaya in a way people have never seen it before.
And would you like to give a short message to the people of Meghalaya and everybody who's going to watch you?
Yeah. So my message to the people of Meghalaya is that thank you for your support and for your love. And moving forward, I would really need your support and love because what am I without your love and support, right? So I would really need your support. And also I would want to say to the youngsters, and not just the youngsters, but to everyone in general, never stop believing in their dreams. Where you come from should not define how far you go. So never stop believing. Keep on, stay humble, stay grounded, and always believe in yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sanwaka Surong. The
Thank you.
people of Meghalaya are with you and
Thank
we wish
you.
you and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.